Hi all, in this video we are going to make PCB enclosure. So now we have to select top plane, then choose center rectangle and horizontal line is 200 mm and vertical length horizontal line 150 mm and vertical length 70 mm. Now choose boss extrude and 20 mm. Hit the green check, plain white. Select this, choose fillet and 4 corner and 10 mm. Now we need to shell this part, so choose only 2 mm. I made a mistake, 2.5 mm. Then hit the green check. Select this face, choose center rectangle for construction. Hundred mm horizontal and vertical 40 mm or 45 mm. Then select this sketch and select circle. Make 4 circles. Both those 4 circles are equal length. And the circle diameter is 7 mm. Select this 4 circle and boss extrude around 5 mm. Hit the green check. Now select previous sketch and make it 35 mm length of vertical line and rebuild it. I think it doesn't look good, so horizontal line should be 80 mm. So now PCB enclosure looks good. Select this face and sketch. Select corner. We need 4 circles around 4 corners and all them are equal. Select all, Control A, then equal. The circle's diameter is 10 mm. Sorry, 8 mm. Now choose extrude boss and make it 10 mm. Now our PCB enclosure looks good. Select this face and sketch. Select circle, 4 circle and make them equal. Control A and equal, and the diameter is 5 mm. Sorry, 4 mm. 6 mm. Then the diameter is 6 mm. Then extrude cut 5 mm. The previous boss extrude 3 should be 7 mm and select this sketch and convert all entities. Now exit the sketch. Now it looks perfect. Select this face, select line like so we are going to make a rib. Now this line and this line make it collinear, and select horizontal line. Make a point, center of the circle, and select all these three and make it intersection. Same way, make a point in the center of the circle, select all these three and make it four intersecting. So our sketch is fully defined. Now select this face, convert it and reuse, and follow the steps what I did. 2 mm brief, select this sketch and select convert it, and use brief feature. Sorry, it's already generated. Now mirror the rib. Now select isometric view and then section view. Hit the green check. Select this face and sketch. Sorry. Select this face and sketch. Select circle and make it concentric. Select all and equal, and then make it equal. Select both extrude around 2 mm or 3 mm. 3 mm it looks good. Select this, both extrude 3 and make it 8 mm. Select both extrude 4 and make it 4 mm, and select both extrude 3, make it 10 mm. Hit the green check. Now we are going to do fillet. select first and point 0.5 mm fillet around all corners. Either you can make 0.5 or 0.3 mm. Now you can skip the video. Select this face and previous sketch should be hidden. Make center straight slot. Select center point and do a sketch around 4 mm radius and 20 mm width. Select extrude cut. Choose fillet and select bottom face and the radius, fillet is 5 mm. Select this face, choose line, and we are going to make a rib. Now the rib cannot make from the bottom surface, so therefore we are going to change the plane, select this face or this face and select a rib, select this sketch and choose rib and hit the creature. Now the rib is created. Select this face and make a sketch. Select corner rectangle. Or select line and then vertical line is 2 mm. We are going to mirror these things. Select both line and construction and mirror it. Mirror entities, mirror about vertical line, and then select all these things and make it horizontal. So then select Boss extrude, thin feature 2 mm, a normal tool and make it mid plane. and hit the green check. Now the small rip is created. Select up to surface and hit the green check. Now we are going to make fillet. Select these edge and choose between right those things. So the all ribs are created and the rib radius is 0.5 mm and hit the green check. Select isometric view and select this face. We are going to make a ventilation for circuit board. So the air comes in and out. Select linear pattern on both sides, X direction and Y direction. The distance between one cutout to another cutout 5 mm and make it 7. And Y direction select Y direction is this horizontal line. Reverse the direction and 7th count and 5 mm the gap. Hit the green check and make it fully defined sketch. Select extrude cut. Hit the green check 3 mm.